All right, guys, we're gonna go one more time. Fan kicked off. We're gonna attempt our luck. How about that? Throw this. It's gonna be the same battery, so gonna be a little juice gone out of it. And this is just a 3S, Lumpy 3S. I know I didn't show you guys the. You're gonna have to trust me. This ain't for putting in no world record. This is just a guy out having fun. Look, it's hitting my. It's pushing so down on the body that it actually rubbed right there. So maybe I need to come up one. Man, come up one would be too much. Instead of trimming it, you can see where the rocks are hitting. Maybe I push it up one notch and see what that does instead of cutting it, so the tires don't rub. You can see where the tires are rubbing. To put a piece of tape under there after I paint it, which is gonna mess it up now. There's gonna be some marks on there. All right. Oh, have to bring it back. Everyone's all, don't forget to set the GPS. And I need to put my glasses on because I can't see down there. I'm blind, guys. So, all right, GPS. Track, start. I'm not going to do all that sinking out. If you don't believe me, tough. That's all I got to say right now, tough. So I'm out here just having fun. The manhole cover is that stupid blue reflector down there. That's why if I can stay in the middle of the road, there's nothing in the middle of the road. Just crowns, that's the only problem with the middle of the road. So. All right, guys, here we go. Let's see what we can do here. See if we can beat that 76 if we go a little faster. Ooh. Ooh. And that was that blue reflector that I was talking about. Okay. That's what that blue reflector was. The one I said I needed to miss. The one that just, this body is, only bad thing about this body, yeah, it's already torn. It's just a cheapo body. I think I need to figure out where to get another one. If you guys know where to get something like this that isn't so cheap, yeah. Because it just tore this body up, just that crash. Man. It just cracked it right here. I don't know, I might try to shoe glue it or do the spray. Isn't that RC the way it goes in RCs? One last run, right? I just knocked my steering out of whack too. Yeah, something's. did something. There's something to the body, or looks like it's leaning. That could be two. 100. All the rocks. Like I say, this is the one bad thing about this car. I almost need to make like a filler right in here or something to get the rocks to stop flying in. Let's see if that fixed it. Looks like it's sitting a little flatter now. I found my dog bone from last week. I just didn't walk far enough. And it looks straight. That is hilarious, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is like a follow-up or beginning. whatever you want it to be. This is the aftermath. I already fixed the front end. I believe it was my servo saver, the GPS or GRP or whatever those are, that it's junk. It kept coming loose. It kept skipping a gear or a tooth. So, and then this body is pretty beat up. I'm gonna try and shoe glue, you know, around the certain areas. And it's gonna make it a little heavy, but it's really thin. I didn't realize it was that thin. Shout out to Angry Dave's Adult RC. He was doing a giveaway and I won this from him, so it actually worked pretty good. See if we can shoe glue it up a little bit. I'm thinking right up in here, maybe the sides a little bit, make the sides a little sturdy. The top feels fine right through here, feels good. Maybe right up in the nose, up in the fenders. So, and then I might raise the front up, or either that or cut the front just a little bit more, grind the front down a little bit. Everything else seems to be fine. So, I did hit my personal best so far before I crashed it. What was it, 76? I think it was. And I was stoked. Like a little kid out there. But yes, I just put it away. Show you guys what I had in there before. So this is the, it's GPM, okay? This is the GPM one. It didn't hold, guys. It didn't hold. So the screw kept backing out, even I Loctited it and all that. So I put the stock one back in there, got it all lined back up. It's perfect now. When I turn the car on, it goes straight and bounces right to the straight spot. So I did do the back like I showed you guys. I tried to show you guys earlier, but I got 30 millimeter tires on the back now, 26 in the front. I couldn't get the 30 before, so I took let's see, I took one of these, which I don't think this is the right one, but oh yeah, it is. It's just the right side. So what I did was I took one of these and I just grinded from here up, down, so I still had this much left to put a screw through. So it's gonna make it a little weaker, but these things are only like, you know, a couple bucks. So you can go to Jenny's RC and get all 4 of them for, I think, 12 bucks or something like that. So whatever, you know, if it breaks, it breaks. I'll buy another one and put it on there and do the same thing so I can get these wider wheels on there. So I could probably, you can't go too much wider because of the shocks though. So, because of the deep dish, that's why I wish it was the opposite way, so it stuck out a little more and didn't worry about all this other stuff, but it handled pretty good. So I was impressed with that. I even have like, I think 8 or 9 millimeter extensions on there. So I know I'm rambling on, guys, but just like to help you guys out. Whoever's watching these for these 4 ticks. Are these 12? These might be 12 millimeter extensions. Yeah, those are 12 in the back. Then I have, I believe, 7 millimeter. Oh, 9, I'm sorry. 9 in the back and I have 7 in the front. Right? So, and then you got to make sure you put Loctite on the back, because you don't have the nut. The lock nut doesn't go that far down, so it won't catch. So you gotta make sure you put some blue Loctite on there, medium strength. Okay, so there you go, guys. I did pretty good. And Kenzie's drive shaft, excellent. I'm having no issues with it. It is working great. It's holding in there. It's nice and tight. It's still not moving. Just a tiny bit of play in there now, which is good. Need that little bit. And then, because before, if you take your stock one, you can go clink, 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 clink. That's pretty big. That one's pretty good tolerance there. So I still had more power. I just wrecked it on the, you know, your final last words. Final run. I told myself to pack up and leave. I got a good run, so, but I didn't. So we'll see. We might do one more now that I got the front. I'm gonna try the front steering a little better. Plus I have another idea for keeping the rocks out of here. So I'm gonna buy a new bulkhead here, and then I'm thinking I'm gonna drill some holes or cut this out right here and try that. It's like 12 bucks for this plastic piece, so that might be something I'm gonna try. I don't know if anybody's done that or yet. I'm probably sure they have, but I haven't seen it yet, so I'm gonna try that one. But yeah, okay guys, there you go. There's my recap. Everything works great. The gearing, pretty good. 48 pitched, 48 spur, 30. What do I got? An extra one here. Oh, 48 pitched, 48 spur, 43 tooth pinion. That's what it is. I thought it was a 35, but no. That's right, I went up. And that's the biggest pinion you can fit in there without starting to cut stuff up. So 43, I guess, you know, if you wanted to go 48, you would have to cut some stuff up in there, the chassis up a little bit to fit it. But that was fast. Like I said, I didn't even have full throttle, so we're going to, and the tires are just starting to break in. And I know they're not balanced like I probably should, but this is just for fun, guys. I ain't that into it. I would like to hit 80 with this setup, but okay. We'll probably give it one more run before I stick that other motor in, a Poseidon motor from JJ Customs. Been grabbing a lot of stuff from him lately, so we're gonna try putting this bad boy in. And then just what's coming up on this car. I got these because, and by the way, I found my dog bone, which you'll see in there. Then you'll see the speed runs. And I also got a cat pack that I'm going to put in this. A nice good cat pack for it. So I'm going to go to 4S. So that's from JJ Customs too. Shout out to Jason and the crew over there. RJ. He's helping me out a lot too. So, alright. There you go, guys. Sorry for rambling. This is one of my favorite ones to work on. Okay, so, and I do have a new car coming to the show, which if you follow my Instagrams, you'll see it. And there'll be a video up here right after this one. So stay tuned for that. Hit the like and subscribe, and hit the bell so you get the newest videos. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching.